In this video, you will learn how to recover your Steam account without an email address or password. The first step is to go to the Steam website and click on Help. I can't sign in. And this will bring up a page where you can click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Even if you don't know your account information, you can still complete the verification process by entering random information. Once you have done this and clicked on Search, the website will inform you that it was unable to find any matching information. At this point, you can click on your search with my account name, enter your account name, and complete the verification process again. After doing this, the website will identify your account with your account name. Next, you need to enter a valid email address, the first email address you used on your account, and a phone number associated with your account. You should also provide a brief description of the problems you're experiencing with your account. Additionally, attach a file with information about your account, such as game purchases or purchase history. Once you have completed the verification process and clicked on a send, Steam will review your information and verify your email address. That's it! Recovering your Steam account without an email or password is just that simple.